Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER again. This is just another follow-up video, okay, for our Escobar Fold 2 and the Escobar Inc, okay, as usual, this one, okay. To give you an update, until now, I still don't have my ordered and paid Escobar Fold 2, okay, but that's not our topic today, okay. I just found out something today, March 12, okay. Have you ever checked the Escobar Inc website? Anybody? Well, try to check it out. I found this one. Are they going to offline the Escobar Inc website? I don't know, but this is what I have found now, and I would like to share this to you, okay? Especially those people who still intended or trying to get the Escobar Fold 2. Okay, but for me, I'm still continue tracking it and still hoping, okay? Still hoping I will receive my Escobar Fold 2. Cross finger. Check it out, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
This is my paid order Escobar Fold 2 and the Escobar Inc website, where I'm able to find out using a tracking number. But this day, March 12, I'm able to check this out. There's a technical issue on their website. What's happening? Okay, so I check now again their website. Okay, I thought there's a problem with my internet browser, because I tried to scroll it down their website. Okay, I cannot find the bottom portion of their website where you can easily click the track, okay, tracking your ordered and paid products. Okay, but again, I'm trying to find out where's the tracking menu, and then try to check the shops. Okay, you'll see the shops menu, you'll see there the tracking portion. Okay, let's try using my tracking number and my email. Just like the few previous days, I able to track it out and provide a full details. But as you can see here now, something wrong. It not providing the full details, the status of my ordered and paid Escobar Fold 2. Okay, this is not a good updates. Okay, I'm having a doubt now. Okay, is it a scam? Is it a fraud? Again, I'm still hoping I can still get my Escobar Fold 2 smartphone. Okay, it's not so easy to generate a $400, okay, just to pay for this smartphone, because my only objective is to have a technical or tech gadget review about this Escobar Fold 2 smartphone. Okay, so if you will check other menu of this Escobar Inc is working, especially the menu for ordering the products. It's still the same. You can pause an order. Okay, the only problem now is how are you going to track what's the status of your order. Okay, unlike the previous days, once you track it, just provide your ordered and paid tracking number, okay, plus your email, it will generate the status. See, I tried to repeat it. I closed my laptop, I closed my browser. I thought there's a problem with my browser, but still the same. Okay, so I'm still hoping, cross finger, that I will able to get my Escobar Fold 2. So good luck to all of us, guys.